Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable 2FA on Whop Business Account. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to turn on two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, for your Whop Business Account. This is an important security feature because it adds an extra layer of protection to your login. That means even if someone gets access to your password, they would still need a second verification step to get into your account. To begin, open your Whop dashboard and go to the Checkout Links area of your business account. This gets you into the main workspace where you can access your account options. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account menu where you can manage your personal and business-related settings. From that menu, click on the settings icon. This will take you to the broader settings area for your account. If you're following along on a smaller screen, take a moment to make sure the menu fully opens so you can clearly see all available options. Next, select Account and Security. This is the section where Whop keeps your login, protection, and security preferences. If you don't immediately see the option, just give the page a second to load and look through the left-hand or side navigation area, depending on how your dashboard appears. After that, click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. This is the option that starts the setup process for 2FA. Once selected, Whop will guide you through the security setup with on-screen prompts. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. In most cases, this may involve scanning a QR code with an authenticator app or entering a verification code to confirm everything is working correctly. Be sure to read each prompt carefully and complete each part before moving to the next screen. If Whop provides backup or recovery codes during this process, store them somewhere safe and private so you can still access your account if you lose your device later. When the setup is complete, two-factor authentication should be active on your account. That means your Whop business account will now have stronger protection against unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 2FA on your Whop business account.